Hi everyone. Once again, this is Coach Jericho Irinco, the Platinum in Rank, run for Diamond Hair and Live Good. And sobrang nalulungkot lang po ako sa mga nangyari, no? Yes, aaminin ko po na as a Platinum in Rank, na sobrang nagdo-double time to become Diamond. My goal for this 2024 is to become Diamond. That's why I'm really, really serious on building my empire. I am really serious with working with my leaders and delivering Zoom presentations, trainings, joining in the podcast under LGSEI Academy or LGSEI team. And yes, aminin ko, nabawasan po ako ng maraming tao. Yes, aminin ko, marami pong affiliate ng under my organizations na sumali po sa ibang platform. By the way, I am the founder of Eagles and Lions Worldwide. Bago po nagsimula ang iba-ibang platform, ayoko na pong pangalanan. I have almost 5,000 people under my organizations and 5,000 affiliates from 200 plus countries. One of my powerful leaders, or I mean, one of my powerful lega, it's more than close to 4,000 in one team, in their team, in one leg. And yes, nasaktan. Yes, nanghinayang. But yes, nag-warning. Yes, nagbigay ng paalala sa lahat ng mga leaders. And of course, ako po kasi yung tipong upline na hindi po ako control freak. Hindi rin po ako yung upline na porket downline ko sila, feeling ko pag-aari ko sila. Hindi rin po ako yung upline na nagbabawal kung ano yung gustong gawin ng isang downline. Because number one, hindi ko po sila pag-aari. And number two, quote and unquote, ang tawag po kasi dyan is respeto. Respect. So pera po nila yan, decision po nila yan, so be it. Now na sila po ay nagkamali, now na sila po ay sumubok because of some reasons na hindi po sila pa so far kumikita kay Livewood ng gusto nilang income. That's why they tried it in other platform. We can never, ako personally, ayokong maging kontrabida. That's why hinayaan ko. And again, hindi po ako nagkulang ng paalala sa kanila. And again, ako po ay may respeto sa bawat downline ko, sa bawat partners ko, and even cross-line. Now, nakakalungkot lang kasi there are so many leaders, no? A high in rank, matataas ang rank na sila pa yung nangunguna mambash. Sila pa yung nangungunang buksan ang topic sa Zoom instead of mag-focus na lang sa pag-educate ng mga affiliates on how they're gonna build their organizations ng tama, on how they're gonna duplicate, on what are the ways na pwede nilang gawin since wala pang warehouse sa Philippines. Is sila pa yung nangunguna na i-bash, maliitin, sabihan ng masasamang salita yung mga Live Good affiliates na sumubok. Again, paalala lang po sa inyo mga ma'am and sir, mga uplines, mga coaches, leaders. They are just a human. It's normal sa tao po na magkamali. Again, paalala ko din po sa inyo na kayo po ay hindi Diyos para po sila ay husgahan. Now that the company or the platform closed, definitely tao po yan may mga puso, nasaktan, nawalan. Yes, nandyan po tayo, lahat po tayo ay nag-warning pero hindi po sila nakinig. But it not necessarily mean na tayo po ang laging tama. Na porke tayo po ang upline, ganun na lang po natin sila maliitin. Ganun na lang po natin sila i-bash. The platform stopped already their operations. The victims are so many. Ang dami pong nawala ng pera, ang daming nabiktima, ang daming naghahabol ng refund. However, I doubt kung magkakaroon po ng refund. They are all victim. Ipapaalala ko lang po sa mga apply na nambabash. Sa lahat po ng mga affiliates ng Live Good dati na sumubok para po kumita, nakakalungkot man po ang nangyari sa inyo, pero naiintindihan ko po ang inyong ginawa. I know na kayo po ay sumubok lang. Kumbaga parang sa isang taong may sugat, kayo po ay bumili muna ng penicillin para po tumigil ang pagdurugo ng inyong sugat. I hope you get my point. However, mas lalo pa pong napasama. Sa mga leaders, instead po na i-drag po natin sila down, let us help them na muling bumangon. Live Good is just starting. Live Good is 100% legal na negosyo. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. The best platform next to nothing. Ang nagkakaproblema na lang po dito, yung ibang sistema, yung ibang attitude ng mga leaders natin. And that's not, hindi po yun questionable. Nasa kanila po yun. That's their own prerogative. Now, since tayo po ay dumating na po sa punto na nagsara na po ang mga platform na sinalihan po ng ating mga affiliates, this is the right time for us to work hand in hand, to bring them back, to be active, to help them do the massive enrollment, do massive invitation, GPS, get in, plug in, and stay in, and help them grow, not to humiliate them. Let us help them grow. Sa mga affiliate na medyo nasaktan po kayo and you really don't want to talk with your uplines, naiintindihan po namin kayo. We as a Live Good leaders, we as a Live Good coaches, we are willing to help you. You don't need to re-enroll. Again, kasi baka it sounds na naman maririnig ng ibang mga leaders, nagagaling-galingan yan si Coach Jericho. Kasi mangunguha lang yan ng tao. No? No, it's not. This is a genuine service for everyone. Hindi nyo po kailangan mag-re-enroll. Hindi nyo po kailangan lumipat ng leader. Hindi nyo po kailangan sumama sa taong gusto nyong samahan. Wag na wag nyo pong sayangin ang opportunity na kayo po ay part ng pioneer ng Live Good. Yes, at this point in time, maybe hindi nyo pa natatagpuan ang mga tao na makakasama nyo to build your organization. And maybe you don't have yet leaders under your organizations, pero paalala ko lang po sa iyo that Live Good is just starting. Nagsisimula pa lang po si Live. It so happen na sobrang napakaganda po ng platform, kaya napakarami pong mga leaders ang nakapag-build agad ng kanilang organization. All we need to do is to know ano po yung ginawa ng mga leaders na nakapag-build ng organization. Again, as a leader here in Live Good, gagawin po namin yung makakaya namin to help you bring back your account, activate your account without re-enrolling. Linawin ko, no? You can be active affiliate of Live Good without re-enrolling, without stepping out from your existing team and join with other group. No? Hindi nyo po kailangan mag-register ng panibagong account para sumama sa isang leader. Again, kailangan nyo po lang magbayad ng inyong subscription, the 9.95, to update your subscription and for you to become active affiliate of Live Good. The Live Good 2.0 will just starting. Magsisimula pa lang. And that's what we call the second wave of Live Good. Wala pa po tayo sa momentum. Huwag po kayong matakot. Huwag po kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Yes, kayo po ay biktima. Pero huwag niyo pong hayaan ang sarili niyo maging biktima palalo. This is the right time for you to talk with your upline, to talk with your higher leader, your platinum, your gold, your diamond. This is the right time for you to look for a mentor, a right person that will guide you, that will educate you, that will give you exact information, that will give you a specific program for you to build your organization. Na hindi po nagmi-mislead, nagmi-misrepresentation. What do I mean with misrepresentation? Those people who are using the word join ka, mag-subscribe ka, kikita ka, iwasan na po natin. No? In Here and Live Good, for you to build your organization, you need to get in, plug in, stay in. You need to invite people. You need to learn the business. You need to make a massive run. You need to make or to have a massive enrollment. You need to duplicate yourself. May gagawin po tayo. If you really want to change your life for a better, or if you really want to generate dollars, a huge amount of income month after month after month, Live Good po ang pinaka-the best na company na kailangan natin trabahuhin na hindi po masasayang ang ating effort. Again, kami po dito, ako po personally, no, this is Coach Jericho Erico, the founder of Eagles and Lions Worldwide, under Soaring Eagles International, founded by Mentor Vilma Sabulao. Sa lahat po ng kasama ko pong speakers, bureau ng Eagles, ng Soaring Eagles International. And with the program that we have at LGSEI, ipagpapaalam po namin yan kay Mentor Vilma Sabulao if she is willing to share it with other team, our specific program that will really help each and every one of us to build our organization. For now, my piece of advice to each and every one of you is to make a massive action, to learn the business ASAP, to use product. We should be a product of our product. Once you have your own story, it's definitely your belief system with the company, your belief to the products of Live Good, yan po, dyan po magsisimula kung paano po lumaki ang iyong organization. Update your prospect list. Tigilan na po natin yung pag-contact ng mga dati nating mga prospects because 2 years, 5 years from now, Live Good po ang hinahanap ng tao para maka-join po sila. For now, we as affiliate, we are looking for people to join our organizations to build our empire because we are just starting. Yan po ang malinaw po dyan. Wala pa po tayong masyadong build product testimony because we are just starting. But mind you, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, sa dami na po natin, we are more than 1 million. As of today, we are over 1.3 million affiliates of Live Good. If every one of us will order products like me, I 3 times na dumating ang aking international pack. Well, in fact, nandyan pa nga mayroon pa akong hindi po na-unbox. I am sobrang in love with the Factor 4. I am in love with super greens and super reds. Grabe. If you really want to be healthy na hindi butas ang bulsa, si Live Good po ang the best na products. If you really want to get your dreams na wala po kayong naaapakan na tao at hindi sira ang inyong kredibilidad, si Live Good po ang napaka-the best na platform. Kung gusto po nating magkaroon ng malaking income every month, mag-exert po tayo ng effort. Kung nakaya po nila, kaya po natin. Huwag po kayong panghinaan ng again, kayo po ay biktima na kailangan pong bumangon. Kailangan po natin bumangon. Kailangan po natin bumangon. Bumalik po kayo. Ako na po ang nagsasabi sa inyo. But you don't need to re-enroll yourself. All you need to do is just to update your subscription. The moment na na-update na po natin ang subscription, look for a mentor that will guide you to build your organization. Constantly communicate your mentor. Daily gawa po tayo ng activity. Mag-set po tayo ng goal at maghanap po tayo ng program that will help us build our organization in a very short period of time. For now, yan lang po muna ang aking masasabi. Kayo po ang biktima. Huwag niyo pong hayaang mabiktima pa po kayo forever. Ito po yung oras ng pagbangon. Ito po yung oras ng pagtutulungan. Again, sa lahat ng ating mga upline, mapa-diamond ka man, mapa-platinum, mapa-gold, mapa-silver, or whatever. Ito po yung tamang panahon para tayo po ay magtulungan, not to drag down any one of us. We here in Live Good as a family, we should work hand in hand. We should work together. Yes, mahirap, walang instant. May tamang proseso ang pag-asenso. Nagkamali na tayo once, wag na nating ulitin. So again, exert effort to build your organizations and live good because your effort here ay hindi po masasayang. So GPS, activate your account first, pay for your monthly subscription, and as much as possible, kung kaya nating mag 1 year para hindi tayo malaglag, mas maganda. And GPS tayo. Ugaliin natin mag-invite araw-araw, bring people to the Zoom, or ikaw mismo, educate yourself. We should be, i-possess natin ang pagiging hunger of learnings. Ang dami na po mga videos na nasa YouTube. Wag lang po tayong magpadala sa ibang mga matatamis magsalita na sa dulo kayo po ay ililipat sa kanilang grupo. So wala pong ganon. You don't need to re-enroll. Ulit-ulitin ko. You don't need to re-enroll for you to establish or for you to build your organizations will live good. All you need to do is to update your subscription, aralin ang negosyo, GPS, invite people, do massive action, do massive enrollment, and I wanna see you at the top. Once again, this is Coach Jericho Irinco. Nagsisimula pa lang po ang negosyo natin sa Live Good at huwag ka pong papayag na hawak mo na ang susi para mabago pa ang buhay mo, para bitawan pa to. So, I wanna see you. Huwag po kayo mahihiyang mag-message po sa inyong upline, sa inyong sponsors, sa amin. Kung tinuturing niyo po kaming leader, kung tinuturing niyo po kaming upline. So, we can share the knowledge that we have. I-guide po namin kayo sa tamang direction. So, see you at the top. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Or, guys, para lalo tayo ma-educate, pahabol lang, subscribe po kayo sa Si Daddy Jake TV. We have so many videos that you can watch, that you can learn for you to educate yourself, to build and duplicate yourself, to build your Live Good business. Bye. God bless.